start a new clip. Okay. Now I want to add Loom to the mix. So I click the Loom hyperlink, and here it appears. And now I have to decide which camera I like to use. I'm going to use now the UVC camera. So I want to put it in my notes. Which camera am I using? Capital UVC webcam. Webcam. Okay, and I really would like to add it to the file name, and that is for Loom. So I'm putting in Loom. I'm going to append it to the file name. First of all, I want to also start Pisser. So I'm going to start Pisser, start a new recording. I got some kind of an error message. So let's see if I can start recording on Loom. Start Loom, and then after it will start, maybe then I can start the new recording on Pisser. So now Loom started, and now I'm waiting to start Pisser. In the meantime, I can take the file name from before, from RTF or DOC or Excel, either one of them, and extend it with the notes about the webcam. So I'm going to copy it, insert it at the beginning, Control V, space, just have a space and delete the carriage return. So I have one long string with all of that. And see if I can start a new recording, but there was an error occurred while attempting to start recording. The step recorder will now close. So since it closes, I have to say okay, and I have to restart it. So I'm going to restart it. Check the number of screen settings. Ramp it to 999 and okay. And now start recording. And now add a comment with the file name that I just crafted. And with this, I added it as a comment. I would like also to stop the Pisser and save it. So I'm going to stop recording on the Pisser. Click Save on the Pisser. Paste the file name, paste. Change it from doc to zip. So it's going to be a zip file name. Put in a .zip extension and change the path from the original path VME to Pisser.exe. So I copy it to the memory and insert it, paste it. Now I got my complete Pisser file and my complete path to the Pisser file. Copy to the buffer, click Save, and now click Review Additional Details. Let's see how many screens I got. 2 screens, which is perfect. Start a new recording and add a comment with the previous Pisser file name. Paste and enter. And now that I got it all done, I want to type this Pisser file name, Control V, on the Word document and save it on the doc file. Now move it to the side a little bit, find my RTF document and paste it, Control V and enter, and save on the RTF document. And now I want to get my spreadsheet document and paste the URL to the Pisser document also here. So now I got it document and saved in 3 different files. So far I documented it on an Excel spreadsheet, on an RTF WordPad spreadsheet document, and on a Word document. This is irrelevant topic, so I'm going to minimize it or close it altogether because it constricts the memory. Here is another one about some other topic. Save it and close it. Too many files open all at the same time. I want to find the doc MME document. So let's save, file save everything else and exit. Too many files open. File, save, and exit. All the Word documents that are relevant, file, save, and exit. Exit. Full parts. Save and exit. I want to get to the VME Word document, and I have so many different things open that I cannot tell myself what is what. Here it is. So this is the file that I wanted to paste. Paste my zip file, and it's already pasted there, so I don't have to worry about that. I want to double check that the spreadsheet is done. And I can also pop it up on the pop-up notepad, which is another thing that I forgot to note. So this is like a little floating notepad. Let's pop it up there. Make some space at the very beginning. Hit return. Go to the very top. And here we'll paste it there. Control V. And enter. So I don't need it to be so large. That will be good enough not to have carriage returns. And now stop Pisser, save Pisser, one thing that I forgot to do is put the date and time, which is a problem which I'm going to address right now. So to make it clear, it is 12/5/2021, 12/5/2021 underbar. The day of the week is Sunday, SU underbar, and the time is 11:08 a.m. 11:08 space AM. So now I got a complete file name, and that will be version, the first version. And now I'm going to insert, copy the path into the memory, go to the first character on the file name field, Control V to paste, backslash, and now I got a much more complete file name with the video file name and with the .zip extension at the very end, with the date and time embedded inside of the file name. Now I can save it, and I can view how many screens did I get, which is 61 screens. Way too many screens, but we're going to continue anyways and try to keep it shorter in the future. Now save it here in the file name again, Control V and enter, and save. in the pop-up, control or right mouse click and paste, make it wider, and then couple of enters, the spreadsheet, cell A5, right mouse click, paste and enter and save, and finally the RTF. Control V and enter and save. Now I'm going to stop recording. Did I edit to my comments in the picture? I'm going to edit to the comment in the picture. Control V and enter and OK. Stop recording. Save. Grab the previous file name, add to it a subscript of A, copy the path into memory and insert it at the beginning, Control V and backslash, and now I'm going to trim down the doc because it's not a doc file. Now copy the whole thing, and the time also incremented to 06. I made a mistake. It must have been some other value. If now it is 06, it must have started at 04 and I made some kind of a mistake. And then 11:06 or 07 already. So 3 minutes expired. Copy the whole thing again into the buffer in the memory. Review additional and look 21 screens just from this small short activity. Paste it and enter. And I didn't even connect yet the USB itself. So now I'm going to take the USB-C, try to connect it to the computer. So I want to show the camera. I'm taking this USB-C with the rubber band and the USB-C cable. And before I do that, I'm going to clip also my phone. Start a new video on the phone. Now, the big moment. Let's also clip the media on the camcorder.